he get problem when we say date this country. Some people get spirit of snoring. No, very bad. Some people can snore anyhow. He get one of my uncle I go visit 3 months ago. As I visit him, night don't reach. Now he look me. Good night. I tell him, good night. Everybody don't go sleep. 2 a.m. I don't know say the man they snore. In Peking they snore. In wife they snore. Everybody for in household they snore. As 2 a.m. reach, the last born now start this snore. Wait till we are now. For my mind, don't finish. Now the guy raise him up. Pass and give in elder brother. That one catch him with leg. We just say don't finish. He pass and give the elder sister. That one catch him with hand. We just say that one don't finish. He pass and give the mama. As he give the mama catch him with back. The mama they snore, you go talk rubbish. You go, yeah. Nothing pay me when they give the snore to the papa. The papa they snore like moto. As they give him, he catch him. Wait till you hear na gia one. Gia two. Gia three. Now, he don't start the real moto. That my uncle they snore to the time say, as in they sleep, they snore. If you wake, I'm go you snoring, they warn you. As in they sleep, you just tell an uncle they disturb, now he go look you. Okay.